very strange, enchanted boy. Chapper wrote this, his father was a youth. They say he wandered very far, over land and sea. And then one day he passed my way. We spoke of many things, fools and kings, and this he said to me, the greatest thing you'll ever learn is just to love and be loved in return. In the middle of the noise on a crowded day, I hear myself. By now you probably figured out I'm trying to say something. An artist has to make some room in everything he sees, taking that the higher lines are free. And so we sing together, we sing together, we sing alone, and how it feels. How it feels to be seen and known for what you have and what you let go and let show. And how it feels to be dreaming though everything's really quite sad. But we have to be glad for what we have, because an artist has to make some room in everything he sees, taking that the higher line